All right, we've used cottage cheese to make a couple savory meals the past few weeks. So it's only right that we balance it out this week with something sweet. This cottage cheese banana bread takes only a few minutes to prep, is packed with protein, and pretty macro balanced for a bread. So let's jump right into it. I have one more cottage cheese recipe on my list. Should we do another one next week or save it? Let me know in the comments below or by hitting that thumbs up button. Start this one with something to mix all of your ingredients in. A large bowl, food processor, or blender is completely up to you. Add into it 3/4 a cup of rolled oats, 1 large whole egg, 1 large egg white, 2 as ripe as you can find bananas, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 cup of unsweetened applesauce, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1½ cups of cottage cheese, 2 scoops of a good tasting vanilla protein powder, 3/4 a teaspoon of baking soda, a pinch of salt, and last, some optional sweetener. I'm using a tablespoon of sugar-free syrup today. Honey, monk fruit extract, brown rice syrup, stevia, and so on will all work great here. Alternatively, if you're using a protein powder that's already pretty sweet, you likely don't even need any. Give those a quick mix until smooth. Make sure to not mix them for too long. As soon as everything looks mixed together, stop mixing. You're hand mixing this, you'll need to use oat flour, or make some using rolled oats. 2 quick tips. Number 1, you can use any complementing flavored protein powder like chocolate to switch up the flavor. Number 2, there's a few substitutes you can use here for rolled oats and applesauce, which I'll include on the website. Next, take out whatever you're using to bake this in and coat it with some nonstick cooking spray or line it with parchment paper. Pour your mix in, then top it with whatever you want. I went with sugar-free chocolate chips. Put that into the oven on 350 for around 40 to 45 minutes. You'll know it's done when it looks like this. Another quick tip here, you can also use this mix to make some cottage cheese muffins. Just keep an eye on them as they'll bake much quicker. I think we're finally due for testing your guesstimating. This week, we're gonna do this stack of bananas. How much do you think they weigh in grams? 1 guess per person, and the closest to it will win a t-shirt or shaker. With that said, thank you all for watching. Hit that thumbs up button if you like this one. Subscribe so you never miss a recipe. Don't forget to check out theproteinchef.co for all your recipe needs, and of course, stay healthy.